Hey everybody, this is Derek with Income Smasher, and today we're going to talk about how to monetize your blog. So how to make money on your blog through different monetization techniques. And so we're going to go through, obviously you need a blog and you need to start a blog to monetize it. Going to go through the different ways you can monetize, 6 or 7 different ways today. If you can, just hit the like and subscribe button. And if you stay to the end, we're going to show you the top 4 ways to make money through your blog or to monetize your blog. So stay to the end. Definitely want to hear the top 4 ways, and let's get going. So the first thing you want to do is you can sell products on your blog, right? So when you start a blog, you can try to find a way to either partner with somebody to sell product related to your blog, or you can make your own product and sell it on your site. Like a lot of people, what they'll do is they'll do the t-shirts. Like let's say you're a yoga blog and you're blogging about yoga. You can create your own t-shirts with different design, logo designs, different things about yoga, and then you can have them made and then have them shipped directly from the maker to the person. So you don't have to inventory, you don't have to do all this stuff. A lot of people do the print-on-demand t-shirts, which is a great thing to do as far as making money, but not having to do all the logistics. The other thing is you can sell ebooks. So if you look, we're going to show you real quick this website called Dirt Bike Planet, right? And what they do is they just talk about dirt bikes, right? Their favorite thing. But they also have, if you look down here, a book, an ebook. And they sell this ebook on their website and they make extra cash from it. And they sell it for $14.95 for each purchase. And that's pure profit, right? They don't have to share that. They don't have to create the book. All they have to do is once you sign up, it's an autoresponder, and they automatically email you the ebook. You get it in your inbox, and boom, they make $14.95 pure profit. So that's one way right there to monetize your blog. You can grow your email list. So as far as, as you get your blog and you start generating traffic, you want to put an email list, like subscribe to a newsletter or subscribe and get like that ebook I just showed you. That could have been a free ebook to get people to sign up for the autoresponder or on your email. Because once you get their email name, that means you can keep marketing to them. You can keep sending emails to them and you don't want to send them pitches all the time, but you want to send them emails like, hey, check out these 10 fun facts about, making money online. And then your next one is like, hey, here's another 5 different ways you can make money starting a blog. And then boom, your third pitch is like, hey, I've got this course. It's a really good course. It's an e-course on how to start your blog. Maybe you should sign up, buy it. It would really help you make money and start your blog. And then when they buy that, you make a commission. If it's your own e-course, you make, however much you're charging for it, you make all that money. Another one is you can accept guest posts. If you have your own blog and you're doing pretty good with traffic, people might want to write for your website, and then they write for it, and you can charge them like $50. Usually you have to give them a backlink, for writing the article or whatever, but that gives them traffic, helps them out, and helps you out, adds content to your site. Another one is sponsored posts. You can sell sponsored posts. And that's where, like on YouTube or whatever, you'll see people talking about whatever they're talking about, making money online, politics, whatever, doing fun things. And then all of a sudden a sponsored pitch comes in and you're pitching, a product like VPN tunnels or something like that. That's a sponsored post or a sponsored YouTube ad that, people can do. Another thing is you can accept donations. So like, let's say you're just a website and it's a fun website or something, and you just say, hey, help me, keep my website going, and here's a donation link. please donate to my site. I use paint.net. I think it's paint.net. And it's a free tool that I can use to take my pictures and shrink them and, add words and different things to pictures for my blog. And it's free. But then they ask for donation on their webpage to help them keep it free. The other thing you can do is book appointments. So if you look here on Your Complete Life Coach, what they do is they drive traffic to it, and then if you want life coaching, you can purchase a coaching package. So if you click on that, and really a lot of money can be made from coaching or, helping people out with different things as far as, doing like a coaching package or any kind of coaching you can do online. You can set it up through your website, and then you charge, for these different coaching packages, and you can book now, and it's really profitable, really profitable. And then you can also do any kind of teaching, like instead of setting up a course and teaching them through the course you made, which would be easier on your time, you can also sell your time to teach them how to build blogs or how to properly meditate, different things that you can do as far as teaching people, and you can do it online through Zoom, but your website, you can set that all up. Another thing you can do is sell leads. So if you look here, Angie's List sells leads for plumbing, roofing, heating and cooling, electrical, landscaping, housekeeping. Every time somebody comes in here and searches for a plumber in Columbus, Ohio, Detroit, New York, California, Florida, any of these different locations, and they use that person, then Angie's List charges the contractor for that lead. So they'll get a little piece of the action. So let's say you get a plumber, you come out, the plumber does the work, it's $500. Angie might charge that plumber $20 to get that lead that got him the job. So you can set up a website on your own to do local businesses that like are plumbers or electricians. I would just set up one website per whatever you're doing, heating and cooling, let's say. Set up a website, drive local traffic. Once the leads start coming in, set up a deal with the heating and cooling person in your area that you know, and say, hey, for every lead that I send you, you pay me $50. And if they replace a furnace is $10,000, $8,000. So $50 is nothing to them, and for that lead. And you can send them, let's say you send them 100 leads a month at $50. I mean, do the math. You're making some good money. So now, the top four ways to monetize your blog is what we're getting ready to go into. And these are the ways that you can really make money. I like the lead one, but it just takes some time to build that up, and you have to have a specific site. But one of them is to sell an e-course, right? So if you look here, these guys, Authority Hacker, they have an e-course. I'll show you here in a second. So right here, we'll show you this Authority Hacker. They have an e-course. And what you do is you pay. I joined this e-course. These guys do great training. I signed up, and it was $500. And I get this training for life. And they update it, a couple times a year. And that's pure profit for them. So when you set up an e-course, you set it up once, and you just update it every once in a while, every 3 to 6 or 12 months, however often you have to keep it up to date, and you can make a ton of money. So this is one of the top ways that people make money on their blogs. And another way they do it is through a membership site, right? So if you look here, these are 7 successful membership sites that make over, 6 figures. Orchids Made Easy. So who would know you can make a membership site on Orchids and make really good money, right? But they do. Another one is the Game Changers, a specialist in business coaching niche. So they do business coaching, which I told you coaching is very profitable. Smart Blogger. So of course it's a leader in blogging niche. Smart Blogger offers high quality online courses to paying members. Programs such as Serious Bloggers Only, Freedom Machines. They have different courses that you can sign up for to get. Weight loss. There's a membership site on Lady Boss Weight Loss. Memory Methods. Membership site on Memory. And these make really good money. Succulents and Sunshine. Here's another one that's a membership. And so these are really good websites. You can, try to figure out what would be a good membership site for you and start one and then set it up. Here's another one on astrology. So another really good way to make money is through affiliate sales. So if you look here on Train to Fight Back, this is one of my websites. It's just a simple one I like. Training in martial arts and training in self-defense stuff. So I kind of set, a cool site up for self-defense. But I set up here, what are the right type of boxing gloves to buy when you're training, right? And if you come down here, I say, hey, this is one of the best gloves, or here's one of the gloves, RDX S5 Sparring Boxing Gloves. Now, if you click this link, it goes to Amazon. If you buy anything on Amazon after clicking my link, then I get a small commission for that. And we just talk about the different types of gloves, which ones we like, which ones we've used in the gym, how they work. And you can do this for any product. Boxing gloves, any of the products out there, irons, surfboards, paddle boards, kayaks, canoes, you name it, you can review it, any products. And you can set up a website like that. And then every time people come to check out what is the best spa or the best hot tubs or the best boxing gloves, and they click on the link and go buy, then you make a small commission. So affiliate sales is a great way to make money on your blog. And then another one is we're going to talk about affiliate. So let's go to Pontoonopedia. Okay, so basically on this one is display ads, right? So another great way to monetize your blog is to have display ads. So if we go here, you'll see that they'll have a display ad pop up right up here up at the top, right? Right here's one on the side. Anytime people click these ads on a site, when you have display ads, here's one at the bottom, here's one at the top. You click on these display ads and you, the blog owner, make a little bit of money off these. So very easy to set up, passive way to make money, especially if you have a lot of traffic coming to your blog. And, these are the top 4 ways to make money with a blog. Selling an e-course, doing a membership site, doing affiliate sales like Pontoonopedia did, and display ads like Pontoonopedia and did on that too. So a lot of these sites use multiple ways to make money. And when you create your blog, you want to monetize as many ways as you can.